Ever heard of career mapping? I bet you haven't. Career mapping involves the study and practice of the 4 fundamental skills to help you change career or get the promotion that you are looking for. I'm Steve, Director of British Community for over 10 years, and I have trained hundreds of students to search and find jobs in international companies around the world. This unique course focuses on 4 main areas, which include personal branding, CV and cover letter optimization, and job interview simulation. So as you can see, this is ideal for anyone who's looking to change things up, perhaps join an international company in their own country or even abroad. The students who enroll in this course are taken through 3 key stages. I like to call these the 3 Ps: preparation, practice, and performance. Preparation is all about getting started, how to set yourself up for success. Practice is all about acquiring new linguistic models to apply in your CV, cover letter, and job interview. And performance is all about gaining the confidence and the communication skills to perform at your highest level in the job interview. As you know, the job market doesn't wait for anyone. Sign up for this course today, upskill, and get the job you deserve. I'll see you in class.